Hello and welcome to Traveling Light. I'm Lisa, and we're going to talk about meditation. So, a lot of people have told me, first of all, they get a little sad that they have to do meditation for Reiki. There is meditation involved in Reiki, but it doesn't have to be boring, and you don't have to feel like you're doing it wrong. So many people tell me that, like, oh, I keep thinking thoughts and I get so frustrated and it's just too boring and I quit. Um, so let's just go over a couple of points that hopefully make you feel a little more comfortable about it, okay? Why do people get bored doing meditation? People have an expectation. Tell me if this is you, if this is what's up with you when you're bored with meditation. When they decide to meditate, they think they're going to have these um, calm visions, or they're going to connect immediately with their spirit guides. And then they sit there and their mind is just wandering around as usual. So nothing really fun or cool happened. They're just sitting there. And so they get bored. They wonder, why am I just sitting here? That is the practice of meditation. If your mind is wandering and you're getting bored, you can know that you're doing the same thing that anyone has done who's learned how to meditate. It's the beginning of learning to focus your attention. And why does it feel like you're not really doing it or you're doing it wrong? A lot of times that's because you're sort of copying what you think meditation is, especially if you like get in that full lotus pose and you have your hands in that like certain mudra and you're imagining yourself like the way that, in many memes or photos that you see about meditation, the person's like perfectly still and like seems like they're reaching nirvana. But all you need to do is notice what's going on with you, whether you feel comfortable or uncomfortable, whether you caught yourself thinking again and you go back to focusing. That's all that you really need to do instead of worrying. A lot of us are sitting there worrying if I'm doing it right. And as soon as you notice that you're worrying and you bring yourself back to the present moment, then you're doing it again. So it's always like I'm meditating, I'm focusing, and then I'm not, and then I am, and then I'm not. What can really help is to have an anchor in your body, like either your breath, your hands, your feet, something that can keep you focused on you, on some part of you. See if you can pull yourself away from using the apps. If you have been using an app, learn to focus on something internal rather than external. That's going to be a good next step to keeping your attention focused inwardly on your breath or on your physical experience, on the Reiki. You can keep it short. You don't have to do like 40 minutes or an hour, really long session. If you decide that you're going to set a timer and sit there for 10 minutes, even though you're bored and you're squirming around, whatever it is, if there was 1 minute where you felt like, oh, wait, I forgot what I was doing because you were just focused on your breathing, or even if that never happens in those 10 minutes, just start with a short amount of time, turn a timer on, and just sit there, do your best. Focus your attention on one thing as best you can and call it meditation. Redefine what you call success in meditation, okay? It's about noticing what's going on with you. It's about awareness, and it's not about achieving some altered state, some nirvana, some whatever it is you think you want to achieve, okay? Now, once you can sit without worry and the pressure to do it right, the next step is learning to feel grounded, to ground yourself. Because energy can feel scattered and overwhelming at first. So, in the next video, I'll share how to feel grounded when your energy is all over the place, okay? Thanks for watching. If you're starting your Reiki journey or if you want to, remember, always keep it simple. We're staying grounded and traveling light. I'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye.